Welcome to my YouTube channel here in Happy Valley at 10615 Southeast Paxton Lane. We're going to view this beautiful house courtesy of Cindy Fous. This beautiful home sits on a half acre at 5,300 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths. Let's check it out. As you walk into this beautiful home, you're greeted by this open concept living space with amazing light fixtures. You have an office to your right with stairs to your left, or my left, going down to another living area in the basement. So walking into your left here, you run into your dining room with this amazing light fixture, drop ceiling with this amazing wood panel. Then you have your built-ins here with granite countertops, walnut wood shelving. I mean, this is just amazing right here. And in the living room, it just flows perfectly to the living room. You have your floor-to-ceiling fireplace, which is the focal point of the living room. You have your walnut wood mantle with hidden plugs here for Christmas lights or TVs or whatever. And then you have your built-ins here, again with walnut shelving. And then take a look at these beautiful coffered ceilings. And you can enjoy indoor-outdoor living with this amazing outdoor space here. With yet another gas fireplace. You have your vaulted ceilings here with recessed lighting, ceiling fans, gas heaters to keep you warm, and just vibe with the people inside. Not to mention this barbecue grill, brand new, where you can wash your dishes, wash your hands, keep cold beverages, and get your cook on. Let's talk about this gourmet kitchen here. You got your 48-inch Wolf gas oven here, pot filler, infrared grill. You got your French paneled Sub-Zero refrigerator. Keep all your beverages nice and cold, using the same wood that they used with the cabinetry here. Beautiful, beautiful granite countertops, big island. And coming into your butler's pantry, you have yet another refrigerator here, made by LG, wood cabinetry here, granite countertops. Check out this Miele coffee maker right here. I use this every day. Again, you have your walnut wood shelving. This is just a beautiful, beautiful home. Let's go to the entertainment room. And this is why I say this is an entertainer's dream. You have this featured wall right here, walnut panel, enough space to entertain as many people as you want, an extra sitting spot, and then going here to my wet bar. I mean, fully equipped with a place to hold your cold drinks. You got your ice maker right here. Place to put that keg for that cold beer. Oh yeah, we entertaining in here. So like I said before, this place has 5 bedrooms and 6 baths. Right now we're in the primary bedroom. We have the big windows right here to let in all that natural light. You have your gold chandeliers, your gold sconces with these wood built-ins here. Space enough to put your doodads, your underwear, your socks, whatever you need. Shelving for your books. I mean, they really paid attention to all the details in this home. So after a hard day's work, you come into your spa-like bathroom with your double sink vanity right here. Again, with the wood built-ins. Great lighting. Soak-in tub here. Leading here to your walk-in shower. Man, you have your tile seat. You can just chill, think, and shower. Now, I pointed out that they had the built-in drawers in the primary bedroom, but you also have this walk-in closet. More drawers, more cabinets, place to hang your clothes, lots of place to hang your clothes. recessed lighting leading in to your laundry room. Now you have these iron stairs here leading to the downstairs living space, but this place is equipped with a elevator shaft which you could put in. It's not in there right now, but you can have it installed. Let's check out downstairs. So this is the 5th bedroom on the lower level. You have 4 bedrooms upstairs, and this bedroom is huge. You have your own ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet, own entry. This is probably the place where you put your guests, leading to the 4-car garage. So once again, thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel. And thanks again, Cindy Fous, for allowing me to view your wonderful home. And if you want to be alerted to when we have another tour, hit that subscribe button and that bell and you'll be alerted. Thanks for tuning in. See you again.